Well, hello, my name is Terrence Fagan, and what I'm going to talk to you about is using this PrinterBot Junior. But what I'm going to talk to you about is I'm going to go into a little bit about the gears and how the gears work and how to pull and when you're coming to the end of the print or end of your rod, flexible PLA rod, to pull it out and to reload it basically. So what I'm going to do is first I heated it up so this, the hot end it's called, is actually dripping some green PLA as we go now. And basically what I want to do is I want to, if you notice that this is getting low, I want to get a lot more and start to print something else. First thing that we want to do is we want to open this up, which is actually a really nifty device. And I want to open it up. So actually, if you were to look in here, I have an extra one. This is all you're doing, basically, is you're lifting this piece off, and you can actually, you're feeding the PLA through this little notch here, through here. But right now, since it's hot and I want to switch it, I'm actually going to take it apart and off. Make sure you do this when it is hot, or else you won't get a good finish. So we're going to start, but I can't normally just put this through. I have to actually use this, put it through these two bolts here, and then I'm going to put it through this hole. And what I'm actually doing, if you can see on the top, I'm actually putting the PLA through the two bolts through this notch here, and there's another bolt through here, right here, which is through here, so basically it crunches up, the PLA will crunch up between those two, and as the motor moves it'll create friction and pull the PLA through. So basically that's where we're kind of at right now. So I do want to kind of force it a little bit to make sure that it's there, and then you want to make sure your bolts are kind of tight. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to extrude until I start seeing white. If you notice the first couple times, it's going to actually extrude and it's going to be green. So as you notice, it's still green, and it is feeding, and it's still green. So basically what I'm doing right now in the program, I'm just setting and I'm setting it to extrude 5 millimeters. As you can see, it's getting lighter though, and maybe I should set it up to 10 millimeters. Now we start to see a little bit more white, but not all white yet. So we're trying to get rid of all the green. And I'm almost there, maybe one time. That's all I need. So now we are all set, and we actually pulled that piece off, and we are set with the PLA, the new PLA, into, and it's already loaded for you to print over again. This is something we'll be learning at the summer camps here at CPCC. We'll be learning about this and others. We'll also be learning about the torque on the stepper motors. We'll also be learning about the stepper motors and all of the components where you get to build your own 3D printer.